So to use or redeem a YouTube TV promo code, you can do it with the two ways. The first one, if you don't have any YouTube TV account yet, you want to go to your website browser and then click right here on the tv.youtube.com, which will open up this window, and then you want to click right here on the try the 5 days for $0. Or you can just click on the same button at the top right of your screen, and then you can sign in or sign up with your Google account to YouTube TV. And after you signing in with your Google account, it will open up this tab where you have to put on your zip code based at your residence in the US. So for example, I'm going to type in the zip code for the Los Angeles, and then just click right here on this blue arrow. Right here, you can just close this window, and then you want to click on the shop icon at the top right of your screen. And then right here at the networks and add-ons on the YouTube TV base plan, you want to click on it. And then you want to add the YouTube TV base plan to your membership. So just click on next. And then here at the get started, you can just put on your promo code to buy the YouTube TV base plan. So you can just enter the specific promo code and then click on apply. This way, you will get the discount for your YouTube TV plan. And the second way, if you already have YouTube TV account and want to redeem it inside the account, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on your profile picture. Then you want to click on settings. And then at the left side of your screen, you want to click on promo codes at the very bottom of the choice. And then you can just redeem the promo code right here to get the special offer on your YouTube TV membership. So just type in your promo code and then click right here on this blue arrow. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to use or redeem a YouTube TV promo code. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.